are not finger licking good here, and it's kind of cool. I like that. Basically, I don't recommend these two, my personal opinion. That's a lot to choose from. Corn on the cob, fries. Okay, no. Okay, sweet chili dip, and Pepsi.
Trilogy box meal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're here for the first time. My name is Diamante and today I'm reviewing KFC food. It's my first time ordering this meal box. I have only eaten KFC for 1 or 2 times. I might need to stand up. Corn on the cob and regular fries, sweet chili dip, Pepsi Max, and the burger. Glass ready. The first thing that I can see is the corn, and it's kind of cool. I like that. Oh wow, some nuggets. Popcorn. Wow, it's another 2 boxes. That's a huge meal. I'm very hungry and I'll be very happy to try this burger over here. Cut it. From description I realized there's very little vegetables in this burger. To add my special note to ask for some tomatoes and maybe more lettuce and pickles, but there was no such an option, unfortunately. So as for now, why not to try? For my liking, the Zinger Burger is very a lot of white bread, fairly dry. The chicken fillet that is battered creates more of that thickness, and then there is their special mayo. Now this burger I didn't like that at all. It's my first time trying the KFC burger, so I might give them a go in the future. For me, that's literally 2 out of 10. No, just the lettuce I like. And maybe the sesame seeds on the top of the bun. I believe in these 3 boxes left, basically. That's not bad. Sticky sweet chili sauce. What was the mini fillet? And this is the popcorn. Well, nobody pushed me into ordering these exact things, but it's not very exciting because the chicken fillet is exactly the same as in the burger. And it's kind of chunky and thick, so this is no for me. I like chicken popcorn, so they're fun. They're fun, I like them. Everything seems to be very requiring some extra effort in chewing. It has a lot of that kind of black pepper aftertaste. I never drink soda that quick, but I can imagine if a person finishes all this meal, you might go through a big bottle of drink. For chicken popcorn, I mean, okay, let's go 7 out of 10. The chicken fillet reminded me of the burger because it looks like it's kind of the same. Yeah, I gave it 2 out of 10. Fillet only without the burger bun is better because with this dry bread is even worse. Basically, I don't recommend these two, my personal opinion. On to the next with the hopes and expectations. Fries. It says it's finger licking good. Well, these fries are not finger licking good because they're soggy and there's not much life in them. It could be the case that because this food is, you know, food delivery, home delivery, it's been in the rider's backpack and it simply kind of got foggy and blah blah blah. I mean, the fries, maybe 3 out of 10. It's not good at all, like it's not nice. And I do like it has that kind of a yellow crisp to them. You can see in the camera that they're really bright yellow. The last food tasting, which was Burger King Kiddies meal, didn't have that yellowness, and in fact the fries were kind of soggy as well. 3 out of 10 at the most. It's not good. Okay, so what else do I have? It's something, oh, it's nothing in here because I took it out. Pepsi Max is actually the best from all of these so far. Corn is cool. Corn is fab. I like the burrito. Maybe, I don't know, because I haven't really ordered anything from KFC before, I think I maybe ate like chicken popcorn or some kind of a chicken nuggets in the actual restaurant. Had no good understanding of different meals. I just thought, oh yeah, I'll get a meal and a bit of everything. But I actually ended up realizing that, well, I'm hoping not, like this is super creepy. I'm realizing that I ordered the whole same thing. It's chicken fillet, but I know it's Kentucky Fried Chicken. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. I ordered when I was very hungry, so the corn on the cove is really warm, so that's a nice part. Throughout, it's fantastic. It's fresh, it's juicy, and this for me is 10 out of 10. Now I'm trying to think, what is this? Oh, the fries. Some of this chicken fillet with sauce and then like have a bite of this. Maybe that's how you should eat it. Would not order it, maybe never again. Am I doing something wrong here? Is that the case that I ordered not the best burger? Here I can see that they have original recipe, Zinger, Tower, and barbecue bacon. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye!